is the Tripobosh. The Tripobosh uses its beak or its legs, nasty looking feet, by the way, to kill you. And I usually use the Pyrogenic Trunk and the Meteor Feet to kill this thing. It's pretty awesome at any time I use it like that. This monstrous creature will suck you up like you're nothing and make you perish for dear life. Yes, don't get near these. They'll just stop you and kill you. It's not good. Stay away. There's a special music for when these find you, okay? If you hear it, run. The Vushlock, yes, this painful creature. Yes, it will scrape you off of the ground if you do not have the sucker fee. It also has an unbearable amount of strength when it shoves you against the nest. It will do lots of damage. Stay away from these creatures if possible, but if they come down and swoop you, just try killing it. Yes, the Ankyfert. Probably one of the most annoying flying or bird-like creatures in the game. These things will come and as soon as they see you, drop down, spew acid from their booty. This is a female Ankyfert, by the way. The male Ankyfert does not have a pattern on its beak. Its beak is its mouth, is its crest plate on its head, by the way. Hello guys, this is the Witness, and well, I'm sad to say, but the Witness is very annoying when it comes to it shining the light on you and you lose your mutations. Anyways, this creature is easy to kill though. You just need to squirt some water on it and use the Meteor Feet, then you could kill it like it's nothing. Interesting enough, the sack fly is a very weird bug. It is nothing like a enemy. You can just squirt it with water and it's dead. It's not much, but it's cool to talk about because it looks cool. Ballerina cappuccina. Anyways, this thing is called the infant gar. Infant garling. Anyways, this thing, it floats up in the air, dropping purple bombs from its big looking balloon. And yes, it looks like a ballerina dancing. Yeah. Oh, wasn't expecting the Squataboo to pop on this list. Now, necessarily, it doesn't fly, and it doesn't look like a bird. But, I mean, it's a fish in the water, and it jumps out, and it kind of glides at you. And it has weird-looking fins that look like wings. But, yeah, Just so you know, I wanted to put it on. Sorry there hasn't been little template videos of these last few flying and bird-like creatures, but honestly, I'm sorry, but these creatures get pretty cool, and I feel bad for you guys of the templates on these creatures, but you'll be able to see the Onogrosh on the video template. So, I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, okay guys? Hope you're happy. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyways, these creatures like to use their beaks and legs just like the Triplobosh, but they have more aggression. So yeah, see you in the template video. Actually, you won't see me, but you'll see the creature. Peace.